Hi, welcome to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we're going to continue, that is the types of attributes in ER diagram, ER model with example. The previous session explained the introduction, what is attribute, what is entity, and so on and so on. Please kindly check the playlist when you have doubt. I hope that the tutorial definitely helpful for crack the exams, competitive exam like UGC GATE and so on and so on. Here we are now. So here types of attributes. So here simple attribute is there, composite attribute is there, single valued, multi-valued, stored attribute, and derived attribute is there. Simple attribute, what means here definition, what you can say, it cannot be divided into simpler components. That means you can say gender of an employee because the employee may be male or female. Then composite attribute, here it can split into components. Let's say example, address of the employee, it may divide it. And single valued, it can take only one single value and for each instance. Let's say real-time example. Sorry, use the pointers here. Yes. So let's say example, age of employee. Then multi-valued, it can take many values, that is skill set of the employee. So the employee have skill of programming knowledge and so on and so on. Then stored attribute, you can say attribute that need to be stored permanently. Date of joining of the employee is the example. Then derived attribute, you can say attribute that can be calculated based on the other attributes. We can say example, years of service from the employee. It may 2 years, it may 3 years, and so on. Then ER model. So before see the example, you can understand the ER modeling with the notations. Here entity is there. Is what is entity? We can repeat here. Is an object or concept about which business user wants to store information. And entity have two types. One is called weak entity. One more is strong entity. A weak entity is dependent on another entity to exist here. Example, order item depends upon order number for which extends here. And attributes. The whole symbol is there. And a key attribute is there. And attributes you can circle with word symbol and so on. Then this notation we are frequently used for any database design. And also relationship is there. It may illustrate with the help of the diamond symbol. It say how two entities share information in the database structure. To connect a weak entity with others, we can use a weak entity relationship like this. So this symbols we are using in the ER diagram frequently. To see the example, the summary of some symbols given in entity set and attribute and the multiple attribute. This is the relationship set. This is the one primary key, and this is the one total part. This will see upcoming class relationship set and so on and so on. And let's say the real time. Sorry, is the example. So it's the ER. It's a ER diagram where I show the entity type called employee, department, project, and dependent here. So the here you can closely look here. There will be a diagram where supervisor, the employee have the information about name, some information like activity and so on and so on. Then here work for what, like that is there, and controls whom, like is there, project is there, works on dependents of what, dependents of department. Here name is there, department name, and some other information is there. So like that, based on the database, we can design the ER diagram very easily. I hope that you understand and have idea about the ER diagram. Remaining, what are the concepts you will see in the upcoming session. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.